Welcome. In this video, we are going to explain what the cloud is in very simple words. The cloud is not a real cloud in the sky. It is a group of powerful computers called servers that are connected to the internet. These servers store your files, apps, and data so you can access them anytime from anywhere using your phone, computer, or tablet.
How does the cloud work?
Instead of saving files only on your device, you save them online through the internet. These files are stored in data centers managed by big companies like Google, Amazon, or Microsoft. You connect to the cloud using the internet, and that is how you get your photos, videos, or documents, even if you are far from home. There are three main types of cloud. Public clouds are open for everyone to use, like Google Drive or Dropbox. Private clouds are used by just one company, and hybrid clouds are a mix of both for flexibility. Why do we use the cloud? Because you can access your data from any device, phone, laptop, or tablet. It is also cheaper, and if you need more space, you can easily upgrade without buying new hardware. You already use the cloud every day, watching movies on Netflix, that is cloud. Saving photos to Google Drive or iCloud, that is cloud too. Even group work in Google Docs or video calls on Zoom, all done through the cloud. So, in simple words, the cloud means your files are stored online, not just in your device. I hope this video helped you understand it clearly.